Yeah, so it's time to do something with the 69. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I started doing this new thing. I got my compressor that I bought because I blew up the other one. And then I started putting stuff in these DeWalt bags because they're great. I got this one at the pawn shop for $2 and I didn't have to buy a drill to go with it. So anyway, I love having a bunch of stuff in there with all the stuff. I even got a chuck, blah, blah, blah. Oh, look, a gauge. I don't use that one. I got one over there. Anyway, I got to fill the tires, and then we're going to move this thing out onto where you're standing right there, or sitting right there, or whatever you're doing over there. Who knows? But I love this little thing. I've went years without this. I don't even know how. So much better. But it's been sitting here a little bit. I think there's zero pressure in here. Oh, I'm wrong. There's 5 pounds. So we're going to pump this up. Give it a little juicy juice. It is the 25th or 6th of August. I think it's 26th. And it was raining today. That don't usually happen. So that's all good. At least it's nice cool out. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, for heaven's sakes, in Texas in the summer. Mostly because I was inside, but we did go somewhere and I wore it. Went to the store. Yep. We're just going to bring the truck out onto the driveway bed there. I weed whacked around it so I could see it. Because it's getting pretty high. It was up to like the fender here. How much pressure that is. 30. That one looks okay. Let me look at the other side. We're good to go. We are good to go. I think I'll put another 5 pounds in it. Just for kicks. This grass is wet. It must have rained today. Duh. I don't even have this thing pumped up enough. Yeah. The only thing I don't like about pancakes is, oh, it only holds 6 gallons. Well, you can tell this tire is about 6 gallons or more worth of air. 35. All right, so that's a wiener. We're going to get this thing moving. Rory's going to come help me. I'm going to film it so you'll see Rory. And Vic said that they're going to come out, her and Tony and Vic and Ray and maybe even Evie, like March. So I got to have one of these two running because that'd be mighty embarrassing not to have it running.